C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U say V, W, X, Y, Z. Letters in a line. Sing along, let's make it fun. Alphabet's the rhyme. A to Z we sing. Every letter's king. Round and round the tune we go. The alphabet will show. A, B, C, D now. E, F, G, and then H, I, J, K, L, M. Start with vowels again. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True, true. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you. Sing it loud and clear. Alphabet, my dear. Every letter shines like gold, and the story's told. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. True. W to X makes sense. Now Y, Z with you. Sing it loud and clear. Alphabet, my dear. Every letter shines like gold.
Let's sing the ABC song together. La 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 la. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish,
the park. H is for hat, where it's dark. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, off your 2 feet. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with the big roar nearby. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, where birds find ease. O is for octopus, in the deep blue sea. P is for penguin, waddling merrily. Q is for queen, regal and fair. R is for rainbow colors in the air. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow day and night. U is for umbrella, shelter from rain. V is for violin, a musical refrain. W is for whale, majestic in the sea. X for xylophone, notes play free. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, in black and white rows. Dance, 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 dance. C is for